Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to remove animation here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Removing animations here in Canva is a straightforward process. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to click on the design that you're working with or the project. If you haven't already, just choose the template that you want to start with. For example, business, social media, education, video, marketing, print products, or cards and invitations. Or simply click a create a design option here. Now, if you have, say for example, an animated effect on your presentation, you have chosen anything here from succession to breathe, baseline, tectonic, tumble, drift, and you kind of like you don't want to use anymore. All right, all I'm gonna do is click the option here that says remove animation. It's very simple. Now I'm gonna duplicate this image again, say for example wipe. I'm gonna click on this one right here. You see, if you right click on the animation, there's no option for you to remove the animation, right? Even here, animate. What will happen is if you click that, it would forward you to the option in the left side. And again, all I have to do now is click the remove animation. Why do you have to do that? Basically, eliminating animations can lead to a clearer communication, especially in educational or instructional materials where clarity is paramount. In digital formats, heavy animations can slow down loading times. For example, I'm going to put in videos right here to give you like a preview of that. It takes a lot of times, depending of course on your internet connection, on your computer, if it's really reliable. So removing the animation can of course eliminate the necessary toll on your presentation. For example, this one right here. Okay, and maybe this, no, not this one, maybe this girl right here. If you put certain animations for this presentation, this one is kind of like pop, this one is blur, this one, however, is going to be breathe, this one is like tumble. If you click on play, it'll lag really. All right, so some viewers may find animations distracting or difficult to process, so a static design can be more inclusive for all audience members. Of course, all I have to do again is click on every animation, click on remove, and basically that's how you remove animation here in Canva. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.